My name's Johnny Siebert. I'm the instructor for the Lawnmower Man how-to videos. We have a new video called Carburetors, which is 22 sections and over 2 hours long. I'm going to show you a few scenes of how detailed this video is. Now I'm going to show you a few scenes on Tecumseh carburetor repair. I'm going to show you the new style Tecumseh carburetor, which is basically the same as the old style. They will build the same needle and seat. There's a difference in your floats. I will show you that. This particular carburetor is an older style. It has a brass nozzle in it. You cannot take that out and clean it. The newer style has a plastic nozzle. Now on this plastic nozzle, sometimes when you pull it out, this rubber here won't be on there. What will happen is we've took a carburetor here that we've cut in half to show you what happens. Now I'm going to show you a few scenes on the Honda carburetor repair. I'm going to talk a little bit about the Honda carburetor. You'll find these carburetors here, your 5 and 6 horsepowers on your vertical shaft. You'll find these other ones here on your horizontal shaft, which is a 5 horsepower, an 8 horsepower, and an 11 horsepower. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to move all these carburetors out of the way, but first I'm going to show you, I'm going to build all these carburetors basically with this one. Now, as I've shown you in other carburetors, you can see where the main jet is. You'll have to take it out with a screwdriver. Now bear in mind, this jet right here is found in all the carburetors I just shown you. You want to take a bread tie, like I've shown you in the other carburetors, and stick them through and make sure all these little holes are clear. Here's a few scenes on the Kawasaki carburetor repair. Then I'm going to get a smaller screwdriver and I'm going to take out this side jet. As I've shown you before, this little jet right here may get a piece of dirt in it. On this one you have 2 holes there, a big hole there, 2 holes there, and like I said, you have a hole down the center. Here's a few scenes from the Nikki carburetor repair. If you'll look, you'll see that there's a hole in it. If that hole, you have a Phillips head screw here. You want to take it out. And if you'll look right down in here, you'll see that there's another jet. You can also see that this jet has a hole in it as well. This is a 8 horsepower. This is a 16.5 horsepower. As you can see, both carburetors look the same and will build the same. This piece here holds your float and your needle and seat, as well as the main jet goes right here. One of them is a 99, the other one is 105. Here's a scene on how to adjust different types of floats. We're going to talk about how to adjust floats. There's all types of floats on the market today. Some floats adjust, some floats don't. Here's a scene showing you how to gap your spark plugs using 3 different types of tools. We're going to talk about how to gap spark plugs using 3 different styles of gapping tools. We're going to use this spark plug right here that will represent essentially every spark plug on the market today on how to gap it. So I can show you how to use this tool. Now the next tool is designed for spark plugs, and I'm going to show you how to use it. These on the end here are tools. What you would do is now the next tool I'm going to use has numbers on it as well. As you can see, that all represents thousands. You'll stick it in. You've just seen a few scenes of the carburetor video. There's lots more tricks of the trades to be seen. You must purchase the carburetor video along with the step-by-step video because it makes references to the step-by-step video. Save time and money by doing your own repairs with the Lawnmower Man. My name's Johnny Siebert, and thank you for watching.